Good morning, everybody. On Nick's Garage here. Nick's here, and today it's just this morning right now. I'm gonna go sit in the charger. Now, before the video actually starts, I just want to say thank you, everybody, for supporting me for my first week of vlogging, and also supporting this channel, especially. Guys, keep on subscribing, and tomorrow we have a special announcement to make. So you want to definitely stick around for tomorrow's video, which will probably be uploaded at midnight, like this one will. So you want to be around probably Monday around midnight or whatever. I don't remember when I upload the videos. And about the kibbles thing, they were actually fine there. I forget the word. I'm tired still. The staff was actually fine there. I was just in a bad mood. I was actually pissed off about not being let into the car show, but we got in, so we are good. But just watch for tomorrow's video, guys. I'm not sure. It should be uploaded at regular time when I upload the videos. I'll announce on my Instagram an hour before, like I usually do. And I got a special challenge for you guys that I'm going to announce coming up. Okay, we are at Dang, I'm excited, everybody. I have not seen actual, funny car racing Top Fuels in a while. 3 years. That's pretty cool. I mean, no? Pretty fun.
Like to knock down the big end. Injected nitro machine, which used to have its problems back in the day, but I'll tell you what, they've got this thing all figured out. You like airplanes? And you're going to see these guys. And you can like them, all over them anyway. Wind up seeing that new track record just all over again. And with fireworks? And with fireworks. And with fireworks. We don't have any fireworks out of the garage, but that's never good. Alright, so Tom's son back here, John, he's saying, okay, car sounds good to me, let's go. So there it is, start. That's the part that's really cool about that.
You're off. I thought we were sitting like 7 years old, but I thought we were watching drag racing, not a lawnmower matchup.
It's 12:19 with a 5.
It's crackling.
Jacob Byron still learning his way around the Christmas tree 177 line.
What's the times?
And runs at 14:19.
It comes down to Dad about putting that number on the car, so the kid can do it.
blow up that
All right,
car.
so we're gonna be heading in the pits now in a second. Damn, this has been fun. We got fireworks at 9:30 here. Fun day. Yeah, I know.
Let's give away a little Lucas Oil cleaning kits here. So let's see, what are we going to do? It's going to be a drag racing question. But what I'm going to do here, I'm going to make this a little bit easier. I'm going to grab 5 people, and then the first person that gives that answer is going to win this kit. So let me do it.
Junior dragsters, we need you back to the lanes, please. Junior dragsters, back to the lanes, please. Juniors, bring them back. Top man charge is going to be him again. 586 with an 8.